Mary and Alex are building a birthday gift for Jane in a souvenir shop. We will buy her gift picture frame. She traveled a lot around and take a lot of photos. But she really has a lot. What do you think about the books? The good luck while this thing is to help her to hardworking, and she loves reading book. No, it's boring and it's not special. And what do you think about the wind chime? That's a good idea. It's beautiful and it's always remind her of us. It's a wonderful gift. Okay, we'll take it. Okay. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.